Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Today we will discuss about how we can watch a YouTube TV on computer or laptop or MacBook. It is a very simple to watch YouTube TV on computer. First of all, you need to open your browser. After opening your browser, you just need to click on plus icon or you can open your new tab. Then search YouTube TV. YouTube TV. Then click on the first link tv.youtube.com. After clicking on this, you just need to click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, you just need to pay the monthly fee or subscription for YouTube TV. When you pay the fees of the YouTube TV, you can also access these channels like ABC, Fox, NBC, or other channels. This is a simple tutorial about how we can watch a YouTube TV on computer screen. Thanks for watching.